A cookie icon, more than meets the eye. The Oreo cookie, a timeless classic, a symbol of childhood joy. But have you ever wondered about its journey from simple ingredients to the blue package? The process is a blend of science, precision, and a dash of cookie magic. Behind the Oreo lies a carefully orchestrated production process. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind how Oreo cookies are made. Cookie factories not what you think. Many imagine cookie factories as whimsical places with rivers of chocolate. While charming, the reality is different. Oreo production is highly automated, relying on precision and efficiency. One misconception is that mass production compromises quality. This couldn't be further from the truth. Strict quality control ensures consistent flavor and texture. Innovation and tradition create a cookie enjoyed by millions worldwide. From farm to factory, the Oreo ingredient journey. The journey of an Oreo cookie begins long before it reaches the factory floor. It starts with sourcing the finest ingredients from around the globe, each chosen for its unique properties and role in crafting the iconic flavor. The star ingredient, cocoa, is carefully selected from sustainable farms, ensuring ethical sourcing and the highest quality. The flour, sugar, and other essential components undergo rigorous testing to meet strict quality standards. The journey from farm to factory is a testament to Oreo's commitment to quality. Each ingredient is meticulously tracked and inspected, ensuring only the finest components make it into the mix. This dedication to sourcing the best forms the foundation for the Oreo's enduring appeal. From the cocoa fields to the sugar plantations, the Oreo's journey is a global affair, highlighting the interconnectedness of food production and the importance of responsible sourcing. It's this commitment to quality from the very beginning that sets the stage for the magic that unfolds within the factory walls. The Oreo alchemy, mixing the perfect dough. With the finest ingredients assembled, the real magic begins in the mixing room. Here, science meets artistry as precise quantities of flour, sugar, cocoa, and other secret ingredients are combined to create the Oreo dough. Giant industrial mixers, resembling stainless steel behemoths, churn and blend the ingredients according to a closely guarded recipe. The process is a delicate dance of time and temperature, ensuring the dough achieves the perfect consistency. It's here that the foundation for the Oreo's signature texture is laid. Too much mixing, and the cookies become tough, too little, and they lack the desired crumble. It's a balancing act that requires both precision and experience. The air within the mixing room is thick with the aroma of chocolate and vanilla, a tantalizing prelude to the deliciousness to come. As the dough reaches its peak, it's transferred to the next stage, ready to be shaped into the iconic Oreo form. The next stop on the Oreo journey is the bakery, a symphony of stainless steel where the familiar cookie shape takes form. The dough, now a smooth, chocolatey mass, is fed into a series of rollers that flatten it into a continuous sheet. Precision cutters then stamp out hundreds of perfect Oreo discs per minute, their rhythmic movements akin to a well-oiled machine. The excess dough, known as scrap, is collected and seamlessly reintroduced into the process, minimizing waste. The freshly cut cookies then embark on a carefully calibrated journey through a massive oven. Here, they're baked to golden brown perfection, the aroma of freshly baked chocolate filling the air. The baking process is a marvel of engineering and timing. The oven temperature and conveyor belt speed are precisely controlled to ensure each cookie is baked evenly, resulting in the signature Oreo crunch. It's a testament to the meticulous attention to detail that defines the entire production process. While the basic ingredients of an Oreo cookie are no secret, there's one element that has been the subject of much speculation and intrigue: the filling. The Oreo Creme, with its unique flavor and texture, is a closely guarded secret, the recipe locked away in a vault. However, we can reveal that the key to the Oreo Creme's signature taste and texture lies in a combination of sugar, shortening, and vanilla. The precise proportions and processing techniques remain a mystery, known only to a select few within the Oreo inner circle. Some speculate that the Oreo cream contains a touch of magic, a secret ingredient that gives it its irresistible appeal. Whether it's magic or simply a masterful blend of ingredients, the Oreo Creme remains an integral part of the cookie's enduring legacy. The next time you twist open an Oreo and savor the sweet, creamy center, remember that you're experiencing a confectionery mystery, a flavor combination that has captivated generations. As the freshly baked cookies cool, they're prepped for the next stage, receiving their iconic design. This is where the simple cookie transforms into the instantly recognizable Oreo. A specialized embossing machine gently presses the intricate Oreo design onto each cookie. The design, featuring the Nabisco logo, a ring of flowers, and the word Oreo, is more than just decoration, it serves a functional purpose. The embossed pattern helps to evenly distribute the creme filling when the cookie halves are sandwiched together. It also adds structural integrity, preventing the cookies from breaking easily. This seemingly simple step is crucial in creating the complete Oreo experience. The embossed design is a testament to the brand's attention to detail, ensuring that even the smallest elements contribute to the overall enjoyment of the cookie. From conveyor belt to shelf, the packaging process. With their design complete, the Oreo cookies are ready for their final journey, from the conveyor belt to the iconic blue package. This stage, while seemingly straightforward, is a marvel of efficiency and automation. The cookies are first inspected one last time to ensure they meet the highest quality standards. Any broken or imperfect cookies are removed, ensuring that only the best make it into the packages. Next, the cookies are swiftly and precisely stacked into their familiar rows within the flow wrapping machine. This machine then encases the cookies in a protective layer of plastic film, sealing in freshness and preserving their iconic flavor. Finally, the packaged cookies are placed into boxes, ready to be shipped to supermarkets, convenience stores, and vending machines around the globe. The packaging process represents the culmination of the Oreo journey, a testament to the seamless integration of technology, efficiency, and quality control that defines the entire production process. Quality control, the guardians of the Oreo legacy. Throughout every stage of the Oreo production process, from ingredient sourcing to final packaging, quality control reigns supreme. Maintaining the Oreo's consistent flavor and texture is a responsibility taken seriously, ensuring that every cookie meets the brand's high standards. Dedicated teams of quality control technicians are stationed at various points along the production line. Their keen eyes and sophisticated equipment scrutinize every aspect of the cookie, from size and shape to color and texture. Samples are regularly pulled from the line and subjected to rigorous testing. This includes sensory analysis, where trained tasters evaluate the cookies for flavor, aroma, and texture, ensuring they meet the Oreo standard. This unwavering commitment to quality control is the unsung hero of the Oreo story. It's this dedication that ensures that whether you enjoy an Oreo in New York or Tokyo, you're experiencing the same deliciousness that has captivated generations. The Oreo phenomenon, a legacy of flavor and innovation. From its humble beginnings in a New York City bakery over a century ago, the Oreo cookie has transcended its status as a simple treat to become a global phenomenon. The key to its enduring appeal lies in a combination of factors, carefully cultivated and nurtured over generations. The Oreo's iconic flavor, the perfect balance of chocolate and creme, is a testament to the power of culinary simplicity. The cookie's iconic design, instantly recognizable worldwide, further solidifies its place in popular culture. But the Oreo story is not merely one of tradition. The brand has consistently demonstrated a willingness to innovate, introducing new flavors, formats, and collaborations to keep pace with evolving consumer tastes. This unique blend of tradition and innovation has cemented the Oreo's place as a true icon of the snack world. It's a testament to the power of a simple cookie to evoke memories, spark joy, and bring people together. Bite into the wonder, discover your own Oreo moment. The next time you reach for an Oreo cookie, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has taken. From sustainably sourced ingredients to the precision engineering of the production process, every element contributes to the unique Oreo experience. Remember the dedication of the bakers, the expertise of the engineers, and the vigilance of the quality control teams, all working in harmony to create a cookie that has captured the hearts and taste buds of millions worldwide. But more importantly, remember the simple joy of biting into an Oreo, the satisfying crunch, the smooth, creamy filling, and the familiar flavor, all combine to create a moment of pure indulgence. So go ahead, twist open an Oreo, dunk it in milk, and savor the moment. You're experiencing a legacy of flavor, innovation, and a touch of cookie magic.